you know, a sense of hope. To make people say, yo, even if things bad, you know, you're not completely done. Once you have life, you can push on, see way, and great things can happen. Yeah. And that is why I don't have a car. Me use my money. Me use my money and invest in things where like in assets instead of liabilities. When I was 19, most of my when I was 19, most of my peers most of the people that I grew up with were driving cars and stuff when I was 19, you know. I see it. And if anybody know about this, you don't know, say yo, as a young guy driving a vehicle in Jamaica, you get a lot of attention from females. So if I was somebody where I look for run back a fractal, I probably would have invested